Hello, Internet. Woohoo! Got my LiveGood order in today. Going to do an unboxing and see what we got and give you some info on these products and on this opportunity. I'll get the box open. There we go. So everybody's having a good day out there. Florida is wonderful like always. And we got our Super Reds, our Super Greens, men's multivitamin, and our coffee. Let's move these up front. And just to let you know, by being a member of LiveGood, what I saved on all this, men's vitamins. Average price for a comparable vitamin is around $38, so 47% savings. These are $9.95. My Super Greens, average price on a comparable Super Greens, and there's really very few out there that even come close to what we have, because this product is organic, vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, and dairy-free. But this product, the average price for a comparable product is around $80. This is an 80% savings because you get this for $18. The Super Reds. All you seniors out there like me, you need to pay attention. Heart disease is the #1 killer. Most people have something going on with their heart, either a high blood pressure or maybe an irregular heartbeat. The thing is, Super Reds, everyone's advertising them. It's become real popular as people realize nitric oxide actually opens your arteries up, makes them flow better, actually helps to repair the damage that was done to the lining of your arteries. Super Reds, average price is around $70. Ours, again, $18. It's a savings of 70%. And I'm not good at math, so these may be off a little bit. Our organic coffee with the 6 health-enhancing mushrooms. Again, the average price for something comparable is $40. Ours is a 55% saving at $17.95. Now, the thing to realize with these products, there are no fillers, no dyes. Everything that's put in here are natural. And here's the key that sometimes gets left out. All these products, everything that LiveGood sells, comes with a 90-day empty bottle, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. And the great thing about the membership is $49.95 to join LiveGood. And then from that point on, it's $9.95 a month. Again, similar to Sam's Club, Amazon, those type of things. With the membership buying, you get a deeply discounted wholesale price on these products. And so with the membership you cancel at any time. When you go to your page that shows your membership, right there on the bottom is the button, cancel my membership. No hiding it where you can't find it. One of the things when LiveGood was started, the people that started this company had developed 9 companies over the years. About 5-6 years ago, roughly, maybe 4 to 5 years ago, they got out of the network marketing, affiliate marketing business because they got tired of people trying to survive off of overpriced products. COVID changed all that. The world got topsy-turvy. People didn't want to pay for overpriced products. Some people were out of work. Some people, their jobs got cut back because of all the shutdowns. So Sam's Club, all these type of things, Amazon, they all took off like crazy. And even though Amazon was huge, Sam's Club was huge, they grew even bigger. And the reason they grew bigger is because of the fact that people wanted to be able to save money. They needed to make their money stretch. Well, look at the economy that we're in. You need to make your money stretch even more than you did before. So here you are. You got products that are up to 80% off of a comparable product that you would buy. They come with a 90-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. You can cancel your membership anytime you want to. The business end of this, there's no requirements to buy products every month or to buy them at all. The only thing that keeps you as an active member is the same thing that keeps you as an active buyer is $9.95 a month. Now, here's the amazing thing about this too. This company, when it hit 120 days old, 250,000 people had joined it. Phenomenal growth, unheard of growth. And why is it growing like crazy? Because this is what people are looking for, a way to save money. Seniors, make that Social Security check stretch. You want to make some extra money? Then become an affiliate. That $40 is a one-time affiliate fee. You're just automatically made an affiliate. And what do you sell by being a LiveGood affiliate? Nothing. The only thing you're doing is advertising the memberships so people can become members. And that's what they pay you off of, is off of memberships. You get $25 every time someone signs up as a member. 4 of your friends sign up today, that's $100. So think about it. And you got to have at least 4 friends that want to save money. So do you have to do the business? No. There's no requirement to advertise or bring anybody whatsoever into the membership. And even if you don't do that, because of the type of business model it is, it's called a force matrix. Your force matrix, because people above you are sponsoring people and bringing people in, and there's no place to put them, your matrix is open because you're not doing anything. People start getting put underneath you. Those people that get put underneath you, you'll get paid on. How long does that take? It depends. Depends on the people above you and how hard they work, how busy they are. But at some point, those slots will start to get filled. And then all of a sudden, hey, I made $10. Hey, a couple of months later, maybe a year later, I'm making $500 a month and I didn't even do anything on this business. They're just rewarding me for what? Being loyal. I call it a loyalty bonus. They don't. They say, no, we'll help you build a business. Now, if you do a little bit of work, you make that whole thing go faster. And don't get me wrong, we got people that in 4 months are making incomes that you wouldn't believe already. Is it a pyramid? No, it's not a pyramid. What's a pyramid? You don't sell anything. You get people to pay money, and the next people in, they get a bunch of people to pay money. This is a force matrix. There's a cutoff. There's only a certain area that you get paid off of. So, no, it's a tremendous business opportunity. It's a business opportunity that in that matrix, they have 6 different methods of payment. Now, if you don't bring anybody in, if you don't advertise or tell your friends about the link and they sign up through your link, the webpage they give you, then no, you have one method of payment, and that only method of payment is other people that fill up your matrix for you. Depending on how full your matrix get, that's how much that you'll make each month. It will max out at $2,000 a month. You won't get any more than that unless you go to work and you bring in 2 people. And then now it'll max out at $4,000 and the other 5 methods of payment jump in. So that's the LiveGood business in a nutshell. Phenomenal products, substantially discounted, 90-day empty bottle, no questions asked, money back guarantee. A fee of only $9.95 a month for your membership. You can pay once a year and pay $99 and get 2 months free. I just renewed my Amazon Prime. It went to $14.95. It's not $9.95 anymore. But that's what the LiveGood membership is. After a while, you say, no, I don't want to do this. I don't want to keep a membership. I'm going to go ahead and pay $50 for my vitamins. I don't want to get them for $9. Fine, cancel. You cancel. Hit the button, you cancel. It's over. There's no auto ships. In fact, even paying your monthly membership, you have to pay it yourself. They don't take it out of your paycheck for you or take it out of your bank account. You have to go in there, and you have 30 days sometime during that month to go in there and pay your membership. So they've done everything they could to make this real simple, to have no little catches. Oh, we got you. Now you're stuck with us. They didn't want that. They got sick of businesses that operate that way. So why LiveGood? There's 3 types of people that join. The ones that want to get their nutritional products deeply discounted and save a whole lot of money. There's people that want to have an online business, and there's people that want both. Great products and an online business. So click on the link below. Take the tour, which means to fill out the form that's there too after you watch the video, because they're going to explain this better than I did. Click on the link, fill out the form. That opens up the website so you can go through everything on the website and check it out. And join. Start saving. Why wait? Thank you.